Year 7, today we're going to pick up on our work on integers from yesterday and expand it just a little bit by thinking about how we order integers. Firstly, we've got two symbols. We've got the greater than symbol and the less than symbol. Now, in the past, you should have dealt with both of those symbols. And you would know, for example, 3 is greater than 2. Read it out loud and hopefully it makes sense. Or the other way to remember it that I've seen used is something like the crocodile eats the bigger number. All right, so imagine a crocodile with his mouth open. He's going to eat the bigger number because he doesn't want the small fry. He wants the big fry. He wants the real food. So remember, greater than means is greater than. Less than symbol, it's like an L, means is less than. All right, and the crocodile or whatever eats the bigger number. So for example, if we've got a number line here, on the number line, I've got 3 is greater than 1. So if I was to put 3 here, all right, using what we learnt yesterday, colour it in, hopefully my pen works. Okay, 3 is greater than 1. That's pretty obvious, isn't it? 3 further up than 1. This is the greater side. What about the other one? What if I had minus 2 and it is less than 3? Well, minus 2 is down here. And even if it was minus 3 is less than 2, it still works. Is less than 3. All right? This number up here is bigger than that number down there, even though it's negative. So there you go. Greater than, less than. I hope that is pretty straightforward. Let's use it a bit more though, Year 7. Because we want to use what we know to be able to order integers, to put them in order. We know one number is greater than another. That would mean we could get a list of numbers and work with them. But there's 2 words we need to know. One is ascending. Ascend is to go up. All right? I'm going to ascend. I'm going to go up something. It means moving up from the smallest, the furthest down the number line, to the largest. Whereas to descend means going down. I remember D and down for descend, and so therefore ascend is the other one. That means moving down from largest to smallest. So here we've got a whole stack of integers. And we want to write them in ascending order. That means going from smallest to largest. Who's feeling brave? Who wants to tell me what's the smallest number out of this list of numbers? I'm not going to call your name, I'll just point to you.
1.
Let's keep going down a bit further than that.
Minus 5.
Minus 5 is our smallest number. Remember, it's the furthest down the number line, down to that end. Good work. What's the next smallest number?
Minus 1.
Keep going a bit further.
Minus 2.
Thank you. Good work. Sometimes it's hard because there's lots of numbers. So I like to do sometimes this so I can see what I've already done. What would come next then? We've already had it. Yes? We've done that. Thank you. Oh, it's fun doing this, isn't it? What would come though? We've now, it looks like, dealt with the negatives. Next.
0.
Good work. Hopefully from here it's pretty straightforward. What comes next after our 0?
3.
Good. Next.
6.
Got to look carefully. What number's there that you've missed?
Oh, of course.
Yeah, I think you know, don't you? Just got to look carefully, haven't you? Back corner.
7.
Can we go to this one first? Yep. And then 7. 4, 6, 7. Look at that. We've now got it in ascending order. Remember, the negatives are always less than the positives. But even notice too, negative 5 is less than minus 2 or negative 2. It's further down that end of the number line. We're going to get in now and do some questions based on this. So let's get in, have a go, see what we can learn.